Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download multiple Google Drive files on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Currently, the Google Drive app for iPhone doesn't allow downloading multiple files at once. This includes photos, documents, or any other file types stored in your drive. Unfortunately, there's no built-in option to select and save multiple items simultaneously from the mobile app. However, even if you use the desktop version of Google Drive through Safari or Chrome on your iPhone by selecting Request Desktop Site, you won't be able to tap and hold to select multiple files. But you can download the whole folder if you want. Google will compress the selected files into a zip folder. When the download finishes, tap the file and extract its contents using the Files app on your iPhone. While this method isn't as convenient as a dedicated multi-select feature in the app, it still gets the job done if you need to download several files quickly. So that's basically how you can download multiple Google Drive files on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.